in the fitness. So, kadarating ko lang. This is the fitness. I'll go and work out muna. After natin mag-exercise, kain tayo ng dim sum. Dim sum. So good kasi mainit-init pa oh. Wow. One and two. So tapos and and noodles. So there, pagkatapos natin mag-exercise, kakain tayo ng noodles. Kakain na ng noodles dito oh. One of my favorite dito talaga ako makain ng noodles. I have here sili, dim sum, and another dim sum. Noodles, waiting for the noodles. Ito yung noodles house. So I'm waiting for my noodles. Mas masarap ngayon kasi umulan siya kanina. So masarap kumain ng noodles. Kakatapos ko lang mag-fitness. And meron akong sipon. Mag 1 week na. So hopefully maging okay na ako. Waiting for the noodles. Got the noodles. I got the noodles. The dim sum. Nakain ko na yung isa. Tapos ito, soy sauce with chili. And kain muna ako. Let's eat dim sum. Wow. Perfect to kasi umuulan. Kain muna ako. My last stop is pharmacy. I will buy cetirizine and meds for colds kasi nga may sakit ako. So buti ka mo yan siya, cetirizine. Bili tayo na Filipino dito eh. Hello, cetirizine. Siya. So yun. So bibili ako ng, this is for colds for morning and this is for sa gabi. This is cetirizine for drowsy para at least makatulog ng mahimbing. And my rai. Alright. See, 7,000. Sa saan? How much? 19,000. Bili na ako ng gamot and pauwi na ako. Ito na yung binili kong gamot. Actually, it's 9:30 na. See, yung voice ko is medyo garalgal siya. So ito yung supermarket, open siya until 10 PM Monday to Friday. Tapos pag weekends hanggang 9 lang sila. So yun lamang, I'll going home now. Keep safe everyone, stay healthy.